shot. Oh, what a shot.
Jack Leach, get him off the order. Firstly, the lofted drive off the spinner, and now against the fast bowler.
If they can survive there, and it doesn't look like Leach is going to, it's the captain settles. Ryan and Leach takes the bait. Straight away, Australia have an impact. England lose their 8th.
Well, he's punished that. He fancies a bit of this, Stuart Broad.
And
he had enough goes, though.
I tell you what, Stuart Broad didn't even run. He saw best.
Edge. And through to the keeper, Scott Boland. He keeps taking wickets. So Stuart Broad. But he has another, Scott Boland.
Make that 11.
11 wickets in 30 overs.
Wow.
And
to begin Australia's second innings, Warner goes hard. Harris, in fact, apologies, sneaks away through the corner.
It's a David Warner style shot.
It's now to Harris. Big dive at square. Harris timed the ball well, really well. Shown his intentions early, has. That is out. Wood gets Warner, finds the outside edge again with pace, and England claim the first.
Big side, beautifully put away from Marcus Harris.
I wonder if Mark Wood just lost his concentration there. He's worked.
Oh, just wide. It races away. Wasn't a chance. But it went very quick.
Yeah! Well, that's what he's added. He's added a beautiful set of hands on the outside edge from Marcus Harris. Jack Leach, yeah, smiles all around. He got his line right. And fantastic. Oh, Steve Smith. No worries, it's 12:30, so definitely the last over before lunch. You said it, Ish, the intent right from his first ball.
Yeah.
The series ahead. Oh, big Nick, given. Wow, what a turnaround. That's what they need. Marnus can't believe it. Mark Wood gets him once again.
Well, it took off, didn't it? It really zipped the extra bounce.
Hooked away in the air. And sails over the rope. Through the gap. Beautiful shot from Steve Smith. Just twice. Yeah! Perfect bowling. Gets his reward, and it's a big wicket for England.
Yeah, well bowled, Jack Leach. You could tell he was putting more on the ball in this over. A bit of fizz, bit of drift.
So on, very impressively using Khawaja.
As a spin bowler, you have to know what your plans are to each batsman and how you're trying to get them out. And if the captain won't give you what you want, you need to be a salesman.
Yes! He's going to get some runs. Mark Wood in hot pursuit down around the boundary. You know the effort will come, but the ball's quick enough to get to the boundary. So Usman gets 4. Anderson gets a chance to have another go at Cam Green. 4 for 105.
Khawaja loves the horizontal bat shots. Such a good shot from Khawaja.
Taking a while to build up steam here.
Green draws everything, but somehow gets it down to the road. Coming back from Wood. It's better. Anderson pitched it up. It's like full face of the bat. He's a big man. Doesn't even hit the ball that hard to find the rope. Brought up the 50 partnership. Now he's going. Bit of length that Green enjoyed. Belts. Oh, he bowls a short bouncer. Good glove work. Well bowled, Joe. Brilliant piece of glove work. I'm not sure he knew it was coming, but if he didn't, it was good work. And Joe Root
be a boundary. Nice gift for Usman Khawaja.
And Ollie Pope gave himself every chance to catch that too. He moved.
Beautiful from Khawaja. Saw the gap at mid-wicket, vacant space, got to the pitch.
Well, sign.
Beautiful. Half century for Usman Khawaja. What a comeback into the Test team. I think he's just about undroppable. That's an unbelievable shot. Just a touch of class. I mean, I was a bit like, let's give Harris this innings, give him the next Test match. That's the cut. It's a big hit, and it's a good one. Does it go all the way? Certainly does. Easy. Yes.
Oh, especially after that stuff from Joe Root, that won't help.
Shot.
Smashed away through the outside. Started floating. Good shot. Beautiful shot. Strong in front of square for Cameron Green. Now he's picking them up.
That's his best shot of the inning so far.
That's well in front of square. No one out there. Couple of bounces. And then goes long into the leg side. And all the way is McQuarrie. He moves into the 90s. Good shot. Get up strong. Just stood up. Smashed it through the offside.
It's a Tom Moody shot.
And into the road.
Just rubbing a bit of salt into the wound here now.
Quite similar. Oh, that's going to be big.
Green winds up. There's men back. Not that far back, though. When the big boy winds up, there's no stopping him. Again from Green. It's straight up in the air. And it's out. Joe Root takes the catch. Green's disappointed. Usman Khawaja is staying out in the middle, though, importantly. 5 for 265. A fine innings from Cameron Green comes to an end. There's the sweet first ball. There's an appeal for caught behind. Carey's walking off. Jack Leach is on a hat-trick. Oh, and Pat's declared. Dark to Crawley.
That's a classic. That is, no matter what situation, what setting.
Tough moments. And that was met.
I've had some.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में एक स्पेशल ट्यूटोरियल के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है स्विच अकाउंट। स्विच अकाउंट और लॉग आउट ये दोनों सेम फीचर्स हैं, लेकिन हम इनको डिफरेंट तरीके से समझते हैं। लॉग आउट और स्विच अकाउंट में डिफरेंस सिर्फ एक बात का है, जब आप लॉग आउट का बटन दबाते हैं तो आपके पास डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स आ जाते हैं, आपको सिर्फ एक ही साइन इन करना होता है। लेकिन स्विच अकाउंट पर जब आप लोग क्लिक करते हैं तो आपके पास 3 या 4 डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स होते हैं, जिसमें से आप किसी एक पर भी क्लिक करें तो आप उस अकाउंट में जा सकते हैं। लेकिन स्विच अकाउंट का ये ऑप्शन जो होता है, जो ये आपको यूट्यूब के फीचर्स में नहीं मिलता, ये आपको क्रोम के ब्राउजर की वजह से मिलता है। क्रोम पर आप जाएंगे तो वहाँ पर से आपको स्विच अकाउंट का ऑप्शन मिलता है। स्विच अकाउंट कैसे करते हैं आइए जानते हैं। गाइस, आपको क्या करना है, यूट्यूब ब्राउज़र ओपन कर लें। यूट्यूब ब्राउज़र ओपन कर लेने के बाद, लेकिन ये सब काम आपको क्रोम ब्राउज़र में करना है। क्रोम ब्राउज़र में आपने वाइट स्टूडियो को टैप करना है। वाइट स्टूडियो पर पहला जो टैब आ रहा होगा उस पर आप लोग क्लिक करना है। पहला टैब पर आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके पास उसमें आता है गेट द ऐप और यूट्यूब इन स्टूडियो। आपने यूट्यूब इन स्टूडियो पर क्लिक करना है। यूट्यूब इन स्टूडियो पर क्लिक करेंगे तो इसके बाद आपके पास क्या होगा, वो अकाउंट साइन इन हो जाएगा। तो आपको आइकन पर जब आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे तो स्विच अकाउंट पर आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे। स्विच अकाउंट पर क्लिक करेंगे तो 5 अच्छे अकाउंट ओपन हो जाता है। 5 अच्छे जो से भी आपको चाहिए होगा आप इसी को लॉग इन कर सकेंगे। सो गाइस, ये थी आज की वीडियो के कैसे अपने अकाउंट को स्विच करते हैं। सो गाइस, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए हम दीजिएगा इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।